Welcome back to the channel. We're here again at Blackbush, part of the Blackbush flying group. We've got another cover to do, this time for the Cessna 182. So we're going to pattern it, get back to the factory, build the cover, bring it back, and we see the finished results. That's it, all patterned. Perfect day, 0 wind, so it's absolutely awesome. You can just lie the plastic on, it doesn't shift, and it gives you time to put the tape down. So standard canopy cowling cover, including the luggage compartment, so that door is completely covered. Nice and deep around the bottom, so again the bottom of the passenger doors are all covered, so there's going to be no water ingress. Up and over the top we've got a couple of aerials, an old ADF wire stub which we'll make a pocket for. Other than that, nice and easy. We'll head back to the factory, we'll get building. So let's fit the cover. Take it straight out of the bag. The bag is very conveniently marked up. We've got the weight, so we know that this weighs 6.25 kilos, so that when we're doing our weight and balance, we're not guessing 10 kilos, and we're losing out on 4 and a bit, or 4 kilos worth of in-flight snacks. So no guessing, just look at the bag, we'll find the weight.
If you take the cover out of the bag and put it straight onto the cowling, you should be able to see the opening that goes around the spinner. Don't worry too much about being neat at this point, just simply get the 1-inch buckle connected under the spinner. Then start unrolling the cover down one side. You can always use the wing strut to hold the cover while you nip under it and get round to the other side. Keep unrolling down the side, and as you get to the rear, there should be enough cover that sits on the rear portion of the aircraft without falling off. This allows you to run round to the other side, pick it up, and then keep walking forwards. Velcro it up together and do the securing buckles. Then the cover is secure, it's not going to come off in any wind. At that point there, you can go and neaten the section under the spinner, do the Velcro up, do the 2 securing buckles, and then lastly it's just the roof section. You've got the 1-inch, 3-meter long strap provided. That really helps you pull the roof section back towards you and Velcro it down, put the securing buckles on, and then just do a once around, making sure that all the under buckles are nice, connected, nice and tight. Once installed, we can check the length of the straps, and then these can be shortened to the required length.
So that's the 172G Skyhawk all-weather canopy cowling cover fitted. You can see it's a super tight fit, down the sides, over the top. We've got the extra supplied strap for pulling the roof section over so that you're not struggling trying to throw it. All the straps are now tidied away underneath, so they've got all the little tri-slides just holding up the tails so it doesn't flap. And just in time for the rain. You can already see the water droplets just sitting on the material. This is because we've got a good water head, so the material is breathable and water resistant. It also stops all the UV getting through to the aircraft, and then every buckle underneath has an extra protective pocket behind it, just to stop the pocket lying onto the aircraft. Soft webbing straps, super strong Velcro with securing buckles so that the wind just doesn't risk blowing the Velcro apart. And yeah, that's it fitted. This is how I would remove the cover. If you take it off in a systematic process, then putting it back on next time will be really easy.
So now we're going to remove the cover. What we'll start off with is we'll undo all of the straps underneath. These will just simply drop down to the ground, that's not a problem. We'll then make our way to just past the wing strap where you've got the vertical split, undo the buckle strap, and then split the Velcro. Take the aft section of this and roll it up, working your way towards the back of the aircraft. You'll get to the point where the roof section is Velcroed and secured on. Release the buckles and break the Velcro. Keep rolling the cover up and place it on the rear of the aircraft. make your way around the tailplane, back onto the other side, and continue rolling up, working your way forward. You can rest it on the wing strut again, just to save it falling on the ground. Nip around the wing strut, pick it up, keep rolling forwards. At this point, you can hold the majority of the cover in one hand, and you can pull the roof section forwards. We tend to put it down onto the cowling, keeps it nice and neat and out of the way. Roll up the rest of the cover onto the cowling. You can then go around to the other side and roll up that small portion, putting that onto the cowling. And then it's just simply a case of breaking the Velcro and the two buckles that are under the spinner. Once they've come apart, you can then continue to roll the cover up. It's now one long sausage. Roll it into a smaller section and put it in the storage bag. This is water resistant, so once it's in your luggage hold, you're not going to have a wet cover soaking through and damaging carpets and things like this. So we're just trying to keep the aircraft protected even when the cover isn't on.
You won't fall out. That's it.
Give us a follow for more great content and covers in the future.